My name is Jason Ash. I'm from Hoover, Alabama. Well, I attended the Craftsman Seminar in February, and we got a little bit of a kind of introduction to ceramic coating, specifically the Jade line. I kind of wanted to become a certified installer, so there's some things I wanted to make sure that I was doing correctly with this particular brand. So I decided to come here and get some professional guidance from the company. I think it can greatly enhance the aspect of adding protective coatings to customers' vehicles. I'm a big proponent on not only just correcting finishes, but also protecting it. And I'm a firm believer in Detail King products. And I've also used the Jade line, and I've been very impressed with it.